Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's daily currency call, where we share our analysis and ideas for a specific currency for each day. So this is the schedule of the week: Monday, Aussie and Kiwi; Tuesday, Euro; Wednesday, Pound; Thursday, Yen and Gold; and today is Friday, so we'll be doing the Canadian dollar. So I see many familiar names here, especially from the Traders Club. And I see some new names too. So if you can help me with the poll that I'm going to launch right now. Is this your first time here? So this webinar is going to be very beneficial to both the long-term investors and short-term traders. We will be going through what could move prices, possible trade ideas, and also highlighting potential targets and risks. So a disclaimer here: any information shared during this session is not intended to be a trade recommendation. It is solely the opinion and views of the speaker. So please remember to do your own analysis prior to entering any trades. So let me take a look at the poll. Yeah, we have some new people here, first timers here today. So do let me know, how did you get here? Yeah, so just a quick introduction about Jin. Jin is the founder of LCMS Traders and Forex Briefcase. He teaches members of the LCMS Traders Club on how to trade FX. And for Forex Briefcase, he trades a US $10 million account on a daily basis for his managed account clients. And also, he's an international speaker where he speaks in countries like Hong Kong, UK, US, Australia, and many Southeast Asian countries, sharing his views about the FX market. So looking at the poll, yeah, we have quite a few members from. We have mainly members from the Traders Club, and I do see some people coming in from the Telegram channel. So I do want to take this opportunity to share what we do here in LCMS Traders Club. So I'll just do a quick screen share. So if you look at my screen, this is the Traders Club. So this is our private group in, wow, TP3 for NZ. Okay, anyway, yeah, this is our private group on Facebook where we teach you, guide you, and signal and coach you to be a better and more profitable trader. So this is the place to be, whether you are a new trader, experienced part-time or full-time trading. So if you join us from the Telegram channel, you have been enjoying our signals absolutely free. So a question you might have here is, we do signal for you, but what do you know where to exit, and where to exit and what's the reason to exit? So in the Traders Club, we not only give you the signals earlier than the Telegram channel, we also tell you the strategy behind the signals and actually guide you on where to exit with specific reasons. So just a quick example here. This is the signal we push out in Telegram and both Traders Club. You get it here in Traders Club first before we put it in the Telegram. Then we provide you with the analysis behind the signals. And on top of that, if you look at this signal, we actually tell you when to close. Analysis still valid, momentum is still strong, go to TP2, and indeed it hit TP2. So these are things that you don't get it in the Telegram, but you get it here over in the Traders Club. So why do we do this? Is that in the long run, you not only earn from the signals, but you also learn how to trade better. So not on top of the signals, if you want to learn new strategies and have some coaching, we also have members only live Zoom sessions on Monday and Wednesday evenings to run through trade ideas, teach you new strategies, and update you on recent market economic developments. So just a quick example showing you what we do. So this is the weekly live call on Monday, where the whole team, all the coaches here will share with you what happened last week. We will do some signal analysis and coaching, and we will also update you on upcoming news events so that we can prepare you for the upcoming week ahead. And on tutorials, Daniel here will usually teach us new and different kind of strategies that is available for Forex trading, like hidden divergence, chart patterns, candlestick patterns. So every Monday and Wednesday, weekly live coaching. So as you can see here, there are so many features like currency watch lists, the correlation tables. Yeah. So this whole Facebook group is filled with information every single day. If you look at the feed here, we have members sharing their trade ideas, and then we do give our commentary. Senior members will give commentary. Coaches will definitely give our commentary, and then you can learn from what we tell you about your trade analysis. So we are here to provide you the best information, shortcutting your way to trading success. So to join the group, it is a paid subscription of $199 a year, which is less than $1 a day. So if you are facing uncertainty in your trading and you need taking any risk on your trades, you need to join the club to get some guidance towards profit and some coaching to improve your confidence and strategy immediately. So if you scroll down here, it's only US $199 a year or $49 a month, but I would definitely go for the $199 a year option as it saves 65% of your money. So yeah, just come over to tradersclub.lsims.com.sg. I believe a link will be in the chat and just sign up here. Yeah, so on this note, I'll pass the time to Jin for the currency call.
All right, thanks for that. So we are on Friday, end of the week. It's been quite a good trading week so far. We've seen US dollar weaken early in the week, and then as we expected, all that talk, all those positive talk about the stimulus plans coming from the US. We've seen some US dollar strength come around yesterday, and also looking at it, we're going to start planning for what's going to happen through next week as well. Okay, but today's focus is on the US CAD. I will go through very briefly what could move markets next week, but obviously we'll go through these currency calls every day, guiding you through different currency pairs. So with that, looking at the news, okay, again, Forex Trading Asia, if you are a member, fantastic. If you're not already, make sure you jump onto Forex Trading Asia and register and start reading all the analysis, get onto the economic calendars here. The main things we're going to look at today, being Friday, is that we've seen some news come through already for the New Zealand and also for the Aussie PMI numbers. Nothing much else, okay? There's some retail sales number coming from the UK. Nothing much else for the CAD. We spoke about the Euro PMI numbers already. And then US manufacturing PMI numbers coming out tonight, but you can see at 53.2 previously, expected to be 53.4. Not big changes expected for the manufacturing PMIs. Services PMI also expected to hold at 54.6. Both of these signal the slight expansionary phase in the manufacturing and services industries in the US. How this plays out, I think they're not going to have too much of an impact because of the overlying talk about stimulus. We just had the debate between the presidential debates for election on the 3rd of November. So all that might be overshadowing some of these news. All right, so because of that, don't expect to have too much volatility when you look at a PMI number over this period of time. But the focus comes back today talking about US CAD. We are looking at Wednesday. Where is it? A lot of news next week. So Wednesday night at, I'm scrolling really quickly. Okay, Wednesday night at 10 o'clock, there is the Bank of Canada interest rates decision, looking to hold at 0.25%. Rate statement, main things to look out for the rate statement is they are looking to hold interest rates at 0.25. Are they going to be quite positive or quite negative leading up to this rate decision? My view is that we might actually see the Bank of Canada be a little bit more positive, right? Be a little bit more positive, but still be looking at the, we'll wait and see. Everything looks good, but we'll wait and see. We'll see what happens there. So they're going to be positive. We're going to see some positivity come through in the US CAD. with that aside, do remember that from Monday onwards, it is going to be a daylight savings in the UK and the Eurozone. So timings are going to change a little bit for the news. Okay. But looking at the charts, this is a US CAD on an H4 time frame. The last time I spoke about it last week, I said that it was possibly going to go up a little bit before coming down to test this 13065 level. I'll zoom in one so it's easier to see. So it did exactly that. It went up or went across and then broke below 13205 and tested 13065. So that was a very good 100 pip move. I hope you caught on to that. At this point now, I feel that the US CAD, up until the interest rates decision on Wednesday next week, I don't think that we will see the US CAD come lower. Indications do show that it looks like it's going to come lower, but I feel that it might actually see, with the US stimulus talk, some positivity coming in the US dollar. We might see it go up very slightly, or relatively slightly, that 50 something pips upwards to test again 13205. And then with the interest rates decision on Wednesday night, with the expected positivity from the Bank of Canada, we could actually see it come back down and test this 13065 level. Okay, so drawing that line, I think it might actually look something like that for next week on Wednesday. Looking at a good 40 pip stop loss, 100 pip take profit. Very good risk reward ratios there. Looking for that downward move. Test 13205, moving lower towards 13065. Okay, but at this point in time, it's quite a couple of days from Friday today all the way to Wednesday next week. If it doesn't go up this way and it continues down, I think a bit unlikely with the US dollar strength we're seeing. If it continues down and does test this 13065 level, if it does break below, coming from the Bank of Canada's rate decision and rate statement, if it does break below, you could still be looking for that sell, but I'll be extra cautious to trade it down towards the 12965 level. Why I say that is because if I zoom out, the last time it got to this 12965 level was way back in January this year. So almost a year ago when it got to that level. And you can see that once it touched that level, it very quickly bounced off the 12965 support level. So it could go down to that point. However, I would actually be very cautious if it were to trade down towards that level. At 13065, you can sell it down, but I'll be more seeking that upward move rather than to test the 12965 support level. I hope that makes sense to you. Jumping back into the news again, there are a few things to take note of as we look into the news for next week. Let me just scroll up again to next week, where that's Monday. So New Zealand's on holiday. Nothing much on Monday, but you will see that on Tuesday, some of the news items starts coming in. Okay, we're going to see a bit of a New Zealand news coming out. Not going to change markets too much. Chinese numbers, Euro numbers all coming up, but that's all leading up towards, I'll scroll through all that, towards Wednesday. Wednesday, we're going to see Aussie numbers, CPI numbers coming out on Wednesday. So I'll guide you through that on Monday morning, telling you how to look at the Aussie CPI numbers, how to trade through that. We're also going to be looking at, Wednesday night, we're going to see the rate decision on the CAD. Thursday is going to be interesting as we look into the Bank of Japan. Bank of Japan's retail sales number, their interest rates decision, the policy, monetary policy statements on Thursday morning. okay, on Thursday morning. And then after that, we have US news, Euro news and US news, GDP numbers coming out, and also the Euro monetary policy statements, rate decisions, and the press conference. So a lot of news coming out next week. I think it's going to be quite interesting how everything's going to set up. We're going to see the US dollar strength play come now, maybe for a short term. And then with all these news coming around, we might actually see it swing back. But wait till next week. Wait till the news comes out. Let it play. Let the prices move before we start jumping to any trades. So as usual, Friday's daily currency call is quite short and sharp as we look at only the US CAD, a bit of projection into next week. Make sure you join us for next week's session. With that, I'll pass it back to Jinwei.
Okay, thank you, Jin. So yeah, we have come to the end of the session. I've just launched a poll. Please let us know what you thought of the session. So I'm also going to post up some links to our YouTube channel and Telegram channel, and also again the Traders Club link. So do go ahead and visit those websites to see how it can benefit you. So yeah, thank you for joining this session today. Looking forward to see you guys on Monday for the Aussie and Kiwi currency analysis. Thank you and goodbye.